Mistake number 4, aircon. If let's say aircon like this in the picture here is behind the sofa, no good. Okay, no good. Or behind the bed, also no good. So having aircon behind sofa and behind bed is as good as having mirror behind sofa, behind bed. No good. So for those who have no backing on the outside, don't do this in the inside. So maybe your sofa, if that's the case, sofa switch over to this side here. Okay, right? So if aircon placed at the wrong sector, it may cause sleep quality issues, may cause digestion issues, colon issues, backache, and also 小人 issues. So aircon, which sector cannot go to? Aircon not good at southwest, north, northeast.